Hello folks, it's Stephen J9414 here, and welcome to another video, a rail video this time. Hello, welcome back to my Soul Narrow Gauge Railway. It's Stephen J9414 here. I have my customized Roundhouse Lady Anne, which I turned into an 062. You can see the trailing truck back there. And that is the contest for today, a custom wood caboose and wood refrigerator car. And see my dogs, plural, playing in the background. I got another dog to talk about a little bit later. Coda, sit. 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 Ah, very good girl. See, she's sitting at the train station there. Yep. Haven't seen the movie, but in Japan there's a very famous cicada named 8. And although she's not a cicada, she is a Shiba Inu. Maybe she could be the future 8. Or, well, Chico. I don't know. I'll let you decide that. She's being a good girl. This is Taro. Got him from Big Dog Rescue Ranch, Southeast Florida, Okeechobee. I thought about it for a while and I work long hours, and I thought that Coda could use a little pal, and found him through Pet Finder, and he's been pretty good. He had heartworms, that's why there's spot shaving there. Those where they had to put in the doxycycline shots to slow kill the heartworms. Treats really are the best recall, and eventually you just learn to come when you call their name. Someday. Not sure if it's the track or if it's the spring. It's probably the springs around the axle here on the caboose. They are spring loaded. That's why it's kind of sitting at a little bit of an angle. I have to work on that, but I'll figure it out. It's a little trickier to get teach to, as you can see. Coda begging for that treat. Oh, I just took it. Just took it. I know you're eating too much. Getting kind of big like me again. So, here you go. I still love you. Always will. The engine is ready to go. Hey. That's a good whistle. A little more fall. Yeah, I think it's hydrolock. Doesn't really ram much. Long time though. Not several months. What the problem is, I think it's running okay. Yeah, I spoke too soon. Got derailed. This is what happens when you don't do true track. This is what happens when you don't do enough track work. And it's been 2 months since I last ran on it, so let's go ahead and retry it. So that valve over there, that was a little too tight. I recently tried to move the deep valve on the left cylinder. That's what the issue was. But now I'm going to go and try loading it. Back it up. I could use a little more timing. That was the railing. That's okay. A little bit of issue there. Okay. I'll put that a little bit forward. A little too forward. Here. Alright, and that sounds good. What's in there? Try this again. Yeah, I'd retime it another day. It's running good now. Or was. Something. Yep, that's all, folks.